All right, in example 3, we're given a function as a graph, and we're just basically asked to find the value of the function at some different points. So another way of saying finding the value of a function is to evaluate the function. Okay, so the word evaluate is often used. So I want to evaluate f of 0, right? So basically, so this is the input, right? This is the input of the function. So this is our x value, right? This is our x value. So we're going to find 0, x equals 0, and then find the point on the graph that corresponds to x equals 0. So the value of the function at x equals 0 is 2. All right, that's simple. So here's another one. Try it on your own if you want to. Go ahead and pause the video and try it on your own. What is the value of the function? We want to evaluate f at 1. So what's the value of the function when x equals 1? All right, so we find x equals 1 and then find the point on the graph that has a value, an x value of 1. And it looks like it's 0. So f of 1 is 0. All right, C and D are a little bit different. Here, we're given that f of x equals 3. All right, so the value of the function is 3, and we want to know the corresponding x value. Okay, so now we're going to look at a value. F of x is 3, right? So this is a function for, essentially you can kind of assume that this is y equals f of x, right? This function is y equals f of x. And so here the value of the function is 3. We can come over here and find the point on the graph. Now we have to sort of estimate here, right? Because it's somewhere between 2 and 3. So we could say it's about, I don't know, 2.6. We could say x is 2.6. I don't know. It looks like it's a little bit biased toward 3, although my line's not very straight. But this is just approximate. So this is approximate. All right. All right, so now this next one is asking again, it's telling us that the value of the function is 0, and we want to find the corresponding x values that give us a value of 0. So here, okay, so y equals 0 is basically at the x-axis. And you can see there's more than one point, right, where the value of the function is 0. There's actually 3, right? This is the point minus 1 comma 0, right? So this is our f of x. It's equal to 0. Here's the point 1 comma 0 and the point 2 comma 0. All right, so when x is equal to minus 1 or 2, the value of the function is 0. So we got more than one answer. All right, I'll see you for the next example.